Hello everyone, welcome to Odia Sahitya Review YouTube channel. Students, today we know about India's most prestigious award Padma. In previous video, we also know about Padma award and discuss various types of Padma and thoroughly discuss about Padma Vibhushan Award 2021. So today we know about the Padma Bhushan Award 2021. The first people Padma Bhushan Award में Mrs. Krishna Nair Santa Kumari Chitta. Full name Krishna Nair Santa Kumari Chitta. She was born on 27 July 1963 in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. She is also known as the Nightingale of South, Piya Vasanti in North India, Vanambadi in Kerala, Chennai and Kulli in Tamil Nadu, Kannada Kogil in Karnataka, Sangeeta Saraswati in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. She was awarded Padma Shri in 2005. She sings Indian classical, devotional and popular music. She has recorded more than 25,000 songs in various Indian languages including Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, Bengali, Odia, Punjabi, Gujarati, Tulu, Rajasthani, Urdu, Sanskrit and Bangla, as well as foreign languages such as Malay, Latin, Arabic, English, French, etc. She was awarded 6 National Filmfare Award, 8 Filmfare Award in South, 36 different state film awards. She is the first Indian woman who was honored by House of Commons, British Parliament in UK in 1997. She the only singer from India who was honored by Government of China in 2009. She was Doctor of Letters from Satyabhama University in 2011 and International Tamil University USA 2018. The next people, Sri Tarun Gogoi posthumous. He was the 13th CM of Assam from 18th May 2001 to 24th May 2016. He was born on 1st April 1936 in Rangamati, Jorat, Assam and died in 23rd November 2020 in Guwahati, Assam. He was the member of Legislative Assembly, Titawar, 20 September 2001 to 23rd November 2020 and the Minister of State in Central Government 1991 to 1996. He was also the Member of Parliament Kalawar 1998 to 2001 and Member of Legislative Assembly Margherita 1996 to 1998 and Member of Parliament Kalawar 1991 to 1996 and Member of Parliament Jorhat 1971 to 1984. The next people, Sri Chandrasekhar Kambar. He was born on 2nd January 1937 in Godagiri, Bombay Presidency. He is a poet, playwright, professor. He done a PhD in Karnataka University, Dharwad. He was awarded Janpath Award 2011, Sahitya Academy Award 1991, Sangeeta Natak Academy Award 1983 and Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Kabir Samman, Kalidas Samman, Pampa Award, etc. He was the founder of Vice Chancellor of Kannada University at Himpi. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in Literature and Education. The next people, Mrs. Sumitra Mahajan. He was awarded in Padma Bhushan for Public Affairs. She is from Madhya Pradesh. The 16th Speaker of Lok Sabha from 6th January 2014 to 17th June 2019. She was an MP from October 1999 to May 2004, and she was also the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas from 2003 to 2004, Communication and IT Cell Ministry from 2002 to 2003, Human Resource Development Ministry from 1999 to 2002 in Atal Bihari Vajpayee's team. She was also the Deputy Mayor in Municipal Corporation Indore from 1984 to 1985. She was born on 12th April 1943 in Bombay. She got degree from Indore University in MA and LLB. The next people, Sri Nripendra Mishra. He is awarded Padma Bhushan for the civil service. He is from Uttar Pradesh. He was a retired 1967 batch Indian Administrative Service or IAS from Uttar Pradesh cadet. He was born on 8 March 1945, Deoria, UP. He was the 12th Principal Secretary to PM of India from 28 May 2014 to 30 August 2019. Also the Chairperson of Telecom Regulatory Authority of India from 22 March 2006 to 22 March 2019. Also Telecom Secretary of India from January 2004 to March 2005. Fertilizer Secretary of India from January 2002 to January 2009. UP Board of Revenue. He was work as a member, and various positions he got. He completed his degree, postgraduate degree in chemistry, political science and public administration from University of Allahabad, and MP in public administration from John F. Kennedy School of Government, Harvard University. The next people, Sri Ramvilas Paswan, his posthumous. He is from Bihar and awarded Padma Bhushan for the public affairs. He was born on 5 July 1947 in Khagriya, Bihar, and died in 8 October 2020, New Delhi, India. He was got various ministry posts. Minister of Customer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution from 26 May 2014 to 8 October 2020. MP in Rajya Sabha second time. Minister of Mines, Ministry of Communication and IT, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Labour and Welfare, and also the MP in Lok Sabha from 2004 to 2014 to 2019, 1997 to 1984, 1989 to 1991, 1991 to 1996, 1996 to 2009. He completed his Bachelor of Laws and MA from Kosi College and Patna University. Next people, Sri Kesubhai Patel, posthumous. He is awarded Padma Bhushan for public affairs he is from Gujarat. He was born on 24 July 1928 and died on 29 October 2002 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. He was an MP in Rajya Sabha 10th April 2002 to 9 April 2008, MP in Lok Sabha 1977 to 1980, and the second Deputy CM of Gujarat 4th March 1990 to 25 October 1990, and 10th CM of Gujarat 14th March 1995 to 21 October 1995, 4th March 1998 to 6th October 2001. The next people, Sri Kalve Sadiq, was a posthumous. spiritualism from Uttar Pradesh. He was an Indian Islamic scholar, a reformer, educationalist, philanthropist, and preacher. He was born on 1st January 1936 in Lucknow and died on 24 November 2020 in Lucknow. He completed his PhD in Arabic, Lucknow University, Bachelor of Arts in Aligarh Muslim University, and Master in Arts in Aligarh Muslim University. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2021. Mufakir-e-Islam Hakim-e-Umakat. He founded the Thaul Muslim Trust on 8 April 1984 with an aim to give educational assistance and scholarship to needy and poor students. The educational, charitable, and constructive projects that were running under his supervision include Muslim Trust, Lucknow, Unity College, Lucknow, Unity Muslim School, Lucknow, Unity Industrial Training Institute, Lucknow, Unity Public School, Lucknow, MU College, Aligarh, Unity Computer Center, Lucknow, Unity Free Education Program, Lucknow, Hiza Hospital, Lucknow, and many other society trust for social work. The next people, Sri Rajnikant Devidas Shaw. He is from Maharashtra and awarded Padma Bhushan for trade and industry. He was born on 1934, Kutch, Gujarat. He also popular with the name of Raju Shaw. He was the founder of United Philo Phosphates Limited or UPL. He was awarded Agro Lifetime Achievement Award, Instant Young Enterprises Entrepreneur of the Year Award, Indian Chemical Council's Lifetime Achievement Award, Rota Corporate Award. He is an Indian billionaire businessman. The next people, Trilochan Singh from Haryana, and he is awarded Padma Bhushan for public affairs. Born on 28 July 1993 in Dhuldalai, Punjab. He was the Press Secretary to President of India in 1983 to 1987, Managing Director of Delhi Tourism, Chairman Director of Delhi Tourism, Vice Chairman of National Commission for Minority, Chairman in National Commission for Minority, and MP in Rajya Sabha from 1st August 2004 to 31 July 2010. He was awarded Public Asia Travel Association Gold Award, Indira Gandhi Award of Excellence, and many other awards. And the sports, he was the Vice President in Indian Olympian Association. His book is Narayan Thalia Itihas and Sagan Desh Bideshre. He has done thousands work for Sikh around the world. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video among the students. For more, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.